Okay, now a quick reminder. Let me quickly refresh your mind on the keyboard because I'm going to be making reference to the keyboard. Now remember that this is C and this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, this is A, this is B, this is C again, D and E in ranks. So if we are going in an ascending, what we use in raising a note by a semitone is that accidental, which is known as a sharp sign. Okay, so good. And to reduce it by a semitone is a flat sign. Okay, it's good. And to restore it back to its original position is a natural sign. You get that? So good. Keeping this, if we're going up, see, this will be C sharp, going semitone. After C sharp, you have D, D sharp. Okay, E does not have a sharp. That's why you don't have a sharp here. Okay, so you go to F, F sharp. After F sharp, you have G, G sharp. Okay, G sharp. After G sharp, you have A sharp. Good. Now you can see that after A sharp, you have B, then C. C does not have a sharp. So B to C does not have a sharp. That's why you have the bracket between the third and the fourth, the seventh and the eighth. Keeping that at the back of our mind. So I've said that the distance in pitch between any two notes, if I move from C to C, I'm still there. I've not moved more than that place. So I've not moved anything. So it's just a zero semitones. I'm just within myself, C to C. It's called the perfect unison. Perfect unison. So good. If I now move from C to C sharp, I can call it augmented unison, or I'll call it augmented first because C is one, first. Okay, this is my first degree. This is my second degree, my third degree, my fourth degree, my fifth degree, my sixth degree, my seventh degree, and my eighth degree, which is the octave. So good. If I move from C to C, I'm saying the perfect first or perfect unison. If I don't call it perfect unison, I call it perfect first. So I'll put a stroke there, either perfect first or perfect unison. Okay, you can see that. So if I now move further, I move from C to C sharp. It's still bearing the letter name C. So the only thing I just added was sharp. So I call it what? Augmented unison. Augmented unison, or I call it augmented first. Augmented first. Okay, good. I have not moved. You understand that? So if I now move from C to D, I have moved to the second. D is not, so I call it a major second. Major second. Okay, because I just moved to the next letter, which is the next letter is carrying D, which is 2. So if I now move from C to D sharp, it is now augmented second. Augmented second, which is having how many semitones? 3 semitones. So if I move now from C again to E, I have moved a third, which is E is third here. Okay, so I'll continue from the third. So E to C to E is a major third. I'll continue from the major third in the next video.